Hello, my name is Sherry Krieger on behalf of ExpertVillage.com. In this segment, basically, we're going to be working on the upper traps, neck, and shoulder blades, or the scapulas. What we're doing right here is called kneading, cat's paws. It's loosening up the upper shoulder and neck area. Next, I'm going to move to the side, and I'll be using my elbow, once again, and rolling my elbow over the shoulder to give maximum ease to the trapezius. And in the next, I'm working on the neck. You want to get right up there underneath the occipital. A lot of folks can take pressure down there. Some folks can't. So it's always good to keep and continue to ask your client how much pressure they like and to make sure that they're comfortable.